This tutorial will guide you through creating a signature link template using Fasttrack URLs. After logging into the platform, navigate to the Document Management app. From the left menu, select Sign Settings. Then click on Templates. To create a new template, click Create New Template. Enter the template name and an optional description. Click Save. Next, add the document by clicking Add Document. For a Fasttrack URL signature link, you must add at least one recipient to your template. Notice that the Fasttrack URL option is currently disabled because no signature fields have been placed on the document yet. Click Next to proceed to the document editor. Drag and drop the required signature fields onto your document, including the signature field, the signing date field, and the signer name field. Once all tags are placed, click the back arrow to return. The Fasttrack URLs icon is now enabled. Click it to view the generated signing and sending URLs. Click OK to close the window.